The future is going to belong to those who know how to use and profit from AI. And one of the best ways that I've found to use AI is to create tools for your customers and your clients that help them make more money and get more work done and save a lot of time. And so in this video, I'm going to show you how in just a few minutes or even a few seconds, you can create an AI tool that can make you money and it can help your customers and clients to get the results that they want as well. And you could do this without any software development, coding, or technical experience at all. First thing you want to do is sign up to a paid plan on either Claude or ChatGPT. I've done this at both of them now, so I will say that I like Claude for certain things and ChatGPT for other things. Typically, Claude does better with creative tasks, but both of them work pretty good for creating these tools. So just pick one, sign up with it, and then you're going to create a project. So they both have that feature. This is called PDP. So you want to have a project and name it after your business or whatever it's about. So PDP is my new real estate business. We help people get their first rental done for you, or we help them to get a portfolio of 5 to 10 plus units done for you as well. So this business is called Prime Door Partners. And so what I did was I created a project called PDP, and you also want to load it up with as much documentation as possible. The more documentation that you have, the smarter it's going to be and the better the output is going to be. So this is a new business. I only opened it up about, let's just say 5-6 days ago. And so right now I'm working on an ad campaign, and I've created 2 separate documents that I've uploaded here. So the DFY doc, this is an offer doc, and it has details about what our first store rental service is. So exactly how it works, the pricing, the structure, the timeline, all of that good stuff. So it's really just like a sales document that tells them exactly what they're going to get if they sign up for the service. And the VSL doc is a document that I'm going to be going over in an ad campaign, or it's going to be on a page and ads are going to be running to this page. And it's going to get people to book a call with me where I'm then going to show them the DFY doc, the done for you doc. So they watch the VSL, they book a call. If I feel I can help them, then I will show them this doc and they can sign up directly through that doc or just by talking to me. And so I have these 2 documents and I uploaded it to this project so that we can build the project's knowledge base. So it's kind of like building your brain around whatever it is around. And the more documentation, again, that you have here, the smarter it's going to be, the more it's going to know about your business, the more context it's going to have, and the more information it's going to have to create you better tools and better materials, whatever you're looking for. So that's the first thing, is to sign up for a paid plan, create a project, and upload your relevant documentation, whatever's related to that project. Now, what you're going to do from there is, well, you first need to have a use case. You have to have a tool in mind that is going to be given to your customers and clients, either as like or maybe even your leads. It's going to be given to them as like a free thing, like a lead magnet, or you can give it to them as part of your product or service to make it easier for them to implement. In this case, this is something that the lead is going to get. If they watch my VSL to the end, they get access to this tool. So I wanted to create a tool where they could analyze a rental property and know whether they should pull the trigger or not. So this is what I wrote up as the prompt, and you're going to have to figure out what your use case is because it's obviously going to be different than mine. But let's just go through this. So it says, I want to create an AI prompt that my leads can use to analyze a real estate deal. The prompt should ask the user information about their deal, then analyze it to tell them whether or not to do it. It's called the Remote Rental Profit Calculator. I will give it to my leads so they can analyze an icy rental deal, which is a BRRRR with Section 8 tenant. It should take into account the property address, the purchase price, the projected rehab budget of 10 to 15K, projected Section 8 rent based on the FMR of zip code, a 25% down payment on a 30-year loan at market interest rate, and to calculate the potential profit. For expenses, it should take into account the mortgage and interest, the property taxes based on the address, insurance, 10% monthly property management, $150 a month for maintenance reserves, and the calculator should also show the BRRRR upside by projecting the after repair value based on high comps in the zip code for similar sized houses. The refinance cash out at 75% LTV at market interest rates, and also factoring in how much cash they get back, plus a new monthly cash flow with the refi and the mortgage plus interest. So if this makes no sense to you, that's okay. You don't have to know what this means. This is all real estate terminology. So only people who are interested in real estate or they've been through my VSL or they've talked to me about the DFY are going to know what this means. But this is just for an example that you can see of a tool I just created. And so I end it with just saying and reminding it what I want the output to be. The output should rate the deal a 1 to 10 with reason why and if they should do it. Please reference both the DFY doc and the VSL doc to help you understand my business and the tool to create. So this is very important. If you are creating a tool, you want to make sure, again, that you load it with as much as you can, and you also remind it to reference those documents so that it gives you the best output possible. So let's go ahead and just click enter. And now what it's going to do is create us that prompt. So it's saying, I'm going to create an AI prompt for your remote rental profit calculator that analyzes BRRRR deals with Section 8 tenants. This will help you evaluate icy rental deals with your proven system. Okay. So you can see now it's creating us this calculator. When I was looking for deals, when I first got into real estate in 2022, we didn't really have AI, or if we did, it wasn't anywhere close to the level it is today. And now you can see, like, to create a tool like this in like Google Sheets, or to create a calculator like software, you have to hire someone for thousands of dollars. In Google Sheets, it would have taken many, many hours to create something like this. And now with the click of a button, right, we just typed out a paragraph of what we're looking for with the parameters. We have a prompt that we can give to our leads or our customers or clients, and it's going to do what a multi-$1,000 software would have done if we had built it, and it would have taken a lot longer to do. So I'm going to copy this now, and I'm just going to show you. I haven't tested this yet with Claude. I've tested it with ChatGPT. But let's just see what happens. So what you're going to do from here is you're going to, of course, want to test your tool. So I'm just going to paste it in here. And let's see what it does. You could start a new chat as well. So, okay, so let's just start a new chat and let's see what happens. So I'm going to go here, paste it in. I'm ready to help you analyze your potential property using the BRRRR strategy with Section 8 tenants. Okay, so now we would enter in all of this stuff here. So I would say 123 Easy Street. One of my zip codes is purchase price of, let's just say $50K. We're buying a beater house. Let's just say it's a $15K rehab. Single family home. I just bought one there for 1680 square feet. 3-1. Financing. Let's just say 25% down. 30-year, let's just say 7% based on market rates. Rental. Let's just say yes. What am I getting for that one? 1468. And then let's just click enter. So what it should do now is analyze our address and analyze our numbers, and it should give us some information on whether or not we should go forward with this deal. So you can see here, Section 8 rent, it's taking into account all of our information here. Monthly cash flow. Purchase and rehab, 75%, so it's going through the refi, new monthly payment, okay. And you can see here, deal score, 9 out of 10. Excellent icy deal. Why is it icy? We have a monthly net cash flow of 603. We have a cash on cash of 25.8%. We still have some cash left in the deal, so it's not a perfect BRRRR, but we are making a good amount of cash from a pretty small investment, right? A $4,000 investment, we're making $603, or $4,262 left in the deal. That's pretty good, right? So let's see what else it says here. Potential risks, rehab budget accuracy, 15K. This is actually very close to a deal I just did in February. So, and the ARV was 92K, I believe. So these comps are actually pretty low. Let's see what else. Get to 2-3 contractors, get pre-approved. Okay, so I'm not going to bore you with the real estate stuff. If you guys want access to the Done For You First Store service, you can email me at sean@seananthony.co and I can tell you more details about that. But I just wanted to show you how you can create money-making AI tools without any coding or development experience and do it in a matter of minutes. This is really going to help you for your own use cases. I create tools like this all the time for myself to use and save myself time and money and energy, but you can also make the lives of your customers and clients and your leads better as well if you create tools like this. And you can see it doesn't take very much time. You just need to know a use case, you need to know the problems and the desires of your people, and you can create these tools very, very rapidly and very quickly that will really help them to move the needle. Okay, so that's it for this video. Let me know what you want to see in the next one. If you want to see more AI tool videos like this, I can share more, but let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video.